We'll see in this video some important examples on determinant. These examples are on multiple choice questions. These examples are exam targeting board examination questions. So let us see some important questions. So let us see first question here. Value of this determinant is 8 and we have to find value of x. So we will find this determinant by expanding along first row. So x into, so deleting first row and first column, minus x into x minus x square minus 1 minus sine theta into, deleting first row and second column, minus sine theta into x minus x sine theta cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay. Then plus cos theta into, deleting first row and this, minus sine theta. Yeah. Multiplication of these two, minus minus plus x cos theta. Okay. This is equal to 8. It is minus x cube minus x minus minus plus x sine square theta plus sine theta into cos theta minus sine theta into cos theta, multiplying this bracket by cos theta plus x cos square theta is equal to. So this will get cancelled, student. Okay. And from here x is common. Minus x cube minus x plus, take out x common, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 8. Minus x cube plus x sine square theta plus cos square theta means 1. So this is equal to 8. So minus x plus x will get cancelled. So this implies you can take this here, 8 plus x cube is equal to 0. This implies x cube plus 8 is equal to 0. So let us factorize this using this. A cube plus b cube is equal to a square plus ab plus b square minus minus into a plus b. What will this? X plus 2, it can be written as 2 cube. So x plus 2 into x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x plus 4 is greater than 0. This implies x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this implies x is equal to minus 2. What positive value of x makes the following pair of determinants equal? Again here we have to find value of x by equating these two determinants. So 2x into 2x means 2x square minus 15 is equal to 32 minus 15. So this is minus 15 will get cancelled. 2x square is equal to 32. X square is equal to 32 upon 2. X square is equal to 16. So x is equal to plus or minus 4. But we have to calculate positive value of x. So this implies x is equal to 4. So D will be our answer. So let us see one more important question. So if the matrix A is a singular matrix, then find the value of x. Okay, dear student, a matrix is said to be singular matrix. Our given matrix is say singular matrix. I'll write here A is a singular matrix. This is given. So this implies determinant of A is equal to 0. So let us take determinant of this here. We'll find determinant of this is equal to 0. So it will be 1 1x minus 2 2 2 3 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. So 1 into expanding along first row, it will be minus 6 minus 2 minus minus plus 2 into 1 into minus 3 minus 3 minus x plus 3 into 2 minus 2x is equal to 0. It is minus 8 minus 6 minus 2x plus 6 minus 6x is equal to 0. So therefore what we can write here, minus 6 plus 6 will get cancelled. So minus 8 minus 8x is equal to 0. This implies minus 8x is equal to minus 8 plus 8. So x is equal to 8 upon minus 8 means minus 1. P will be our answer. So let us understand this question. The matrix of order 3 by 3 has determinant 5. What is the value of determinant of? Here, determinant of 3a can be written as this is a determinant of order 3 by 3. We can write here 3 raised to 3 into determinant of k into a is equal to k raised to n into determinant of a. So this is equal to 3 raised to 3 means 27 into determinant value of determinant is 5. So this is equal to 135. So 135 first will be our answer. So let us take this one more important question here. This is equation is given f of x is equal to, this is a function, is equal to this. So let us put x is equal to 0 on both sides. So if we put here x is equal to 0 on the left hand side of each element, then it will come. Here put here x is equal to 0. So 1 plus 0 means 1. 1 raised to 17 is 1. Again here put x is equal to 0. 1 raised to 19 means 1. 1 plus 0 means 1. Raised to 23 means 1. Similarly, for second and third row will be 1, 1, 1, 1 is equal to. At the same time, what you have to do, you have to put x is equal to 0 on the right hand side also. So therefore, except a, remaining terms will become 0 plus 0 and so. So this is a determinant where all the rows and columns are same. So we have seen property of determinant. If any two rows or columns of a determinant are same, then value of determinant is 0. So therefore, as here two rows or two columns are same, its value is equal to 0. That means here this A is equal to 0. Our answer will be. So let us see one more important question, which again here given matrix is a singular matrix. Then we have to find the value of x. So if matrix is singular, matrix is singular. This implies determinant of given matrix is equal to 0. So here 2 plus x, 3, 4, 1, minus 1, 2, x, 1, minus 5, that is equal to 0. So let us solve this determinant using first row. So 2 plus x into 5 minus 2 minus 3 into deleting this and this minus 5 minus 2x plus 4 into deleting this and this 1 plus x is equal to 0. So this is 2 plus x into 3 minus, take out minus common, it will be plus 3, 5 minus 2x plus 4 into 1 plus x. So let us open brackets. 6 plus 3x plus 15 minus 6x plus 4 plus 4x. This is equal to 0. Here plus sign is there. So it will be plus. What will be this here? 3x plus 6x plus 4x. 13x plus 25 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 25 upon 13. So let us solve this important question. So we have to find the value of this determinant. So let us expand this determinant along first row. So 0 into deleting first row and first column. This is 0 plus sine square beta minus sine alpha into deleting first row and second column. This is 0 minus cos alpha into sine beta minus cos alpha into deleting this and this will be plus sine alpha cos sine beta minus 0. So let us understand here, if we multiply this it will be 0. It is plus sine alpha cos alpha sine beta minus multiply this here sine alpha cos alpha sine beta. So it will get cancelled. This is equal to 0. This is our answer. So let us this question see question. If the equations, these three equations have non-trivial solution, then find the value of this. So this system of linear equations can be written in a determinant form. Is determinant. That means first row, first column means coefficients of x, a, b, c. Second column, coefficients of y, 4, 3, 2. Third column means coefficients of z, 1, 1 and 1. And given system of linear equations have non-trivial solution, means value of this determinant is 0. So let us solve this determinant expanding along first row. A into 3 minus 2 minus 4 into b into 1 b minus c plus 1 into deleting this and this 2b minus 3c is equal to 0. So 3a minus 2a minus 4b plus 4c plus 2b minus 3c is equal to. So 3a minus 2a means a minus 4b plus 2b means minus 2b plus 4c minus 3 means c is equal to 0. So therefore a minus 2b plus c, that is coming 0. So therefore we can, our answer will be this. So let us understand one more important question, students. Cij is the cofactor of the element aij of the determinant. Given this determinant, then we have to write the value of a32 into c32. What is a32? Third row, second column. Third row, second column is this 5. C32 means cofactor of this 32 means minus 1 bracket raised to 3 plus 2 5, then determinant obtained by deleting third row and second column. Third row, delete and second column. So 2, 5, 6, 4. That is minus 1 bracket raised to 5 means minus 1 into 8 minus, it is 30. So minus 1 into This is minus 22. So it will be 22. B will be our answer. So let us understand minor of A to 3. Minor of A to 3. That is a determinant obtained by deleting second row and third column. Second row and third column is 5, 3, and 2. So this is equal to 10 minus 3 is 7. So C will be our answer. So let us understand one more important question, students. What is question? The inverse of this given matrix. So what we will do here first, given matrix has inverse if and only if determinant of given matrix is non-singular. That means determinant of given matrix should not be equal to 0. So let us calculate here. 1 minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, 18 to 10. So this is equal to 1 into 30 minus 0 plus 1 into this 20 minus 0 plus 1 into deleting this here 4. So this is equal to 30 plus 20 minus is 4 minus 54 means 50. So 30 plus 20, 50, 50 minus 50 is equal to 0. So determinant is equal to 0. This implies given matrix does not have inverse, or given matrix doesn't, inverse of given matrix doesn't exist. So we have to find the cofactor of the element of the third row, means third row and second column, cofactor. So A32 is equal to minus 1 bracket raised to 3 plus 2 means 5. Determinant obtained by deleting third row and second column. Third row, second column. 1 into 1 y plus z, 1 z plus x. So this is minus 1 into z plus x minus multiplying by this minus y minus z. This will get cancelled. So minus 1 into x minus. So if we multiply this by a minus sign, it will be y minus x. So B will be our answer. So let us understand one more important question. What is our question? Using determinant, find the area in square units of triangle with vertices minus 3, 5, 3, minus 6 and 7, 2. We know that area of triangle whose vertices are given x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. Where 1 by 2? So 1 by 2 into, so let us write here x1 minus 3, 3, 7, minus 6, 5, 2, 1, 1. So let us expand this. So minus 3 into 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Or I'll write like this. 5 minus 2 plus 6 into 3 minus 7 plus 1 into 6 minus 35. It is 1 by 2 into, it is minus 6 plus 3 minus 7 means minus 4 minus 24 plus 6 minus 35 is minus 24. So let us understand this question, Mucho. Using determinant, find the area in square minute. So let us understand this question. Using determinant, find the area in square units of triangle with vertices. So we know that area of triangle when its vertices are given, that is x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. So 1 by 2 into minus 3, 3, 7, 5, minus 6, 2, 1, 1. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into, so minus 3 into minus 6 minus 2, minus 5 into 3 minus 7 plus 1 into, deleting this, 6 minus 42. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into, it is minus 8 into minus 3 is plus 24. Here 3 minus 2 means minus 4, minus 4 into 5 plus 20. So this is 6 plus 42 means 48. So this is equal to 44 plus 48 means 92 upon 2. 46. This will be our answer. So let us find the adjoint of given matrix. Here adjoint of, suppose given matrix is A, B, C, D. This is a given matrix A. Adjoint of A is equal to, what we have to do here, we have to interchange diagonal elements D, A, and we have to change signs minus B. So here we can say that adjoint of A is equal to, interchanging diagonal elements here, minus 2, changing its sign, minus 3, minus 5, and here, so minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, 2, our answer. So here what is given here, if inverse of given matrix is existing, then we have to find value of determinant. Here inverse of A exists. This implies determinant of A is equal to 0. So therefore I can write here 2 lambda minus 3, 0 to 5, 1, 1, that is equal to 0. So 2 into, see, 6 minus 5 minus lambda into 0 minus 5 minus 3 into, deleting this and this, 0 minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is 6 minus 5 means 1, 1 into 2 means 2, plus 5 lambda plus 6 is equal to 0. 5 lambda is equal to minus 8, lambda is equal to minus 8 upon. This will be, this is not equal to 0. Inverse exists means determinant of A is not equal to 0. This is not equal to 0. This is not equal to 0. This will be our answer. So let us understand one important question, Bacho. The value of this given determinant is independent of. So what we will do, we will expand this determinant along first row. So cos of alpha plus beta into, deleting first row and first column, cos alpha into cos beta minus sin alpha into sin beta minus minus of minus, it will be plus sine of alpha plus beta into deleting first row and second column sine alpha into cos beta minus of minus plus cos alpha into sine beta. This again plus cos 2 beta deleting first row and third column sine alpha into sine alpha square minus of minus plus cos alpha into cos alpha cos alpha. So let us write here cos of alpha plus beta into this cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta is cos of alpha plus beta plus now see here sine of alpha plus beta. This sine alpha cos beta plus cos beta sine beta into cos alpha, it is nothing but sine alpha plus beta plus cos of 2 beta. So sine square alpha plus cos square alpha means 1 आ जाएगा. So this is equal to cos of alpha plus beta into cos of alpha plus beta means cos square alpha plus beta plus sine square, this is sine of alpha plus beta into sine of alpha plus beta, sine square alpha plus beta plus cos of 2 beta. So this will be again 1 बच्चों. This is cos square alpha plus beta plus sine square alpha plus beta, that is 1. Using identity sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 2. That means it is coming 1 plus cos 2 beta. So this equation or this expression is independent of alpha, we can say that. Independent of alpha means there is no alpha in this. So it is not independent of beta because beta is there. So it is independent of alpha, we can say that. Let us see second question. Find the cofactors of each element of the first column of matrix A. See here, Ucho. Here cofactors of this matrix of first column. So cofactors are denoted by cofactors of first column C11, C21, C31. So my what is cofactor here? Minus 1 bracket raised to this 1 plus 1 into determinant obtained by deleting first row and first column. Deleting first row and first column is 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1. C21 deleting second row and first column. Deleting second row and first column 5, minus 1, 1, minus 1. Then third cofactor C31 means deleting third row and first column. Deleting third row and first column 5, minus 1, 0, 1. 5, minus 1, 0, 1. And every time what we have to do before writing these determinants, we have to take minus 1 bracket raised to summation of these suffixes, we can say that. So minus 1 bracket raised to 2 means it will be plus 1 into, so 0 into minus 1, 0 minus 1. So this is equal to, so if we observe here these options which show, so there is only one option where first element is, first cofactor is, so our answer will be first. Yeah, you can check second cofactor also, man. That is minus 1 bracket raised to 2 plus 1 means minus 1 bracket raised to 3. It will be minus 1 into 5 into minus 1 means minus 5. 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So this will be minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4. So this is our first. So similarly it will be 5. You can calculate. Our answer is first value of this determinant. So this is equal to cos 15 into cos 5 minus sin 15 into sin 75. So here cos A cos B minus sin A sin B means cos of A plus B. So here this is A and this is B. It will be cos of 15 plus 75. This is equal to cos of 90. Cos of 90 is 0. This will be our answer. A square matrix of order 3 and determinant of 2a is equal to k into determinant of a. Then we have to find the value of k. So we know that determinant of ka, if we want to take outside the determinant of k, then it should be written at k raised to n. N is what? N is the order of given matrix. So what is order of here matrix is 3. Therefore, 2 determinant of 2a is equal to k into this. So this will be 2 raised to 3 because its order is 2. Order is 3. So therefore, if I take out this 2 outside the determinant, it will be 2 raised to 3 into determinant of a is equal to k. That means if we equate these two, so k is equal to 2 raised to 3. This will be our answer. This is given determinant, then we have to write the minor of the element a to 2. Minor of the element a to 2 means second row, second column. Deleting second row, second column. That will be 5, 8, 1. So minor of 2 means that is the determinant obtained by deleting second row and second column. So it will be 5 into 3, 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 means 7. So this will be our answer. So let us write if the system of equation x plus ky minus z is equal to 0, 3x minus ky minus z is equal to 0 and x minus 3y plus z is equal to 0 has non-zero solution. Given system of linear equation has non-zero solution, that implies the determinant obtained by coefficients of x, y, z is 0. So here this is how to get determinant. Coefficient of x 1, k minus 3, k minus k minus 3, k minus k minus 1. Similarly, we can take coefficients 1, minus 3 and 1. So let us find out k here. Expanding along first row. So 1 into deleting first row, first column, minus k minus 3 minus k into deleting first row and second column, 3, 1 into minus plus minus 1 into deleting first row and third column. So 3 3s are 9 minus 9 minus multiplication of this. So it will be plus k, that is equal to 0. It is minus k minus 3 minus 3k minus k plus 9 minus k is equal to. So minus k minus 4k minus 5k minus 6k minus 6k minus 3 plus 9 means plus 9 equal to 0. Minus 6k is equal to, this is 6, minus 6. So k is equal to 1. This will be our answer. Let us understand one more question. If A is equal to this matrix, we have to find the value of determinant of A square minus 2A. So let us find out first A square. So A square means multiplication of these two matrices. How to multiply? Means first row, first column, corresponding elements multiply करके add करना है. 1 into 1, 1 plus 3 into 2 means 6, and 1 into 3, 3, 3 plus 3 into 1, 3. Then 2 into 1 plus 2, 2 into 3 plus 1 into 1, 1. So this is equal to 7, 6, 4, 7. Now 2 times matrix A. So 2 into this matrix. So multiplying this matrix by 2 means we have to multiply each element of this element. This is 2, 6, 4. Now let us a square minus 2a. Means we have to take difference of this. 7 minus 2 means 3, 6 minus 6, 0, 4 minus 4, 0, 7 minus 2, 5. 7 minus 2, 5, not 3. So determinant of a square minus 2a is equal to determinant of 5005. It is 25 minus 0 is 25. So let us take one more question. The area of a triangle with vertices minus 3, 0, 3, 0 and 0, comma k is 9. The value of k will be. So we know that area of a triangle whose vertices, coordinates of vertices are given. It is 1 by 2 into determinant of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. So let us write here 1 by 2 into what is x1 minus 3, x2 3, minus 3, 3, 0, y1 means 0, 0, k, 0, 0, k, and here 1, 1. So let us expand here, expanding along first row, minus 3 into, deleting this and this, 0 minus k, plus 0 into this, no need of writing, here should be minus, so plus 1 into, 1 into, deleting this and this, 3 into k. So this is equal to minus 3 into minus k, 3k plus 3k, and it is equal to 9, 9 squaring it. So we can write here 9 is equal to 6k. Is there a problem? So this is correct. So here we have to write 1 by 2 this 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So 9 into 2 is equal to 6k. 18 upon 6 is equal to k. 6 1 6 3. So this will be our answer. So what is question here? If A is equal to matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha 0 sin alpha cos alpha 0 0 0 1, then we have to find inverse of adjoint inverse we have to find. So dear student, we know that inverse of a given matrix is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So we have to first check whether inverse exists or does not exist. We will find determinant of this. Determinant of A is equal to, that is expanding along first here. What we can write here? Cos alpha into 1 cos alpha minus 0 plus sin alpha 2, deleting second row and second column, sin alpha. So this is equal to cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, it is equal to 1. So this implies determinant of A is not equal to 0. This implies inverse exists. So this can be written as adjoint of A is equal to, take this determinant of A on left hand side, determinant of A into inverse of A. So adjoint of A is equal to, it is 1. So 1 into this. So taking inverse on both sides. So this is equal to A. Inverse of this inverse is equal to A. That means inverse of adjoint of A is equal to A. Will be our. So let us understand one more important question here. If A is any square matrix of order 3 by 3, such that determinant of A is equal to 3, then the value of determinant of adjoint of A. So dear students, we know that determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A raised to n minus 1. So here I can write adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A. Determinant of A is 3 raised to n means its order is 3. 3 minus 1. It is 3 square. That means 9. So this will be our answer. Now let us see one more important question here. We have to find the value of this determinant. So let us evaluate this determinant. We'll multiply this is equal to A plus IB into A minus IB minus minus C plus ID minus multiplication of these two I can write here. Minus C plus ID into C plus ID. Okay. So this is equal to, we can write its multiplication directly here. A square minus B square. So this is minus, let us multiply it by minus C square minus C into this minus CID, then multiply it by ID plus CID. I square into I square means minus 1 minus D square I can write. So I can write this is equal to A square. I square means minus 1. Minus 1 minus minus plus, this will be B square minus, this is minus C square, this will get cancelled, minus D square. So this is equal to A square plus B square multiplying by minus sign plus C square plus D square. So this will be our answer. So let us find here inverse of given matrix. So to find inverse of given matrix, we know that inverse of matrix is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So let us calculate determinant of A is equal to, that is 3, 1 minus 1, 2. This is equal to 6 plus 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, it is 7. This implies determinant of A is equal to 7. This implies inverse exists. So adjoint of A is equal to, if given matrix is of order 2, then we can write its adjoint directly. Just interchanging this, it will be 2 and we have to change signs here. This will be minus and this will be minus 1 and plus 1. So therefore inverse of A is 1 upon determinant of A means 7 and adjoint of A is 2, 1 minus 1. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be this. So let us see one more question here. If A is equal to this, we have, if A is equal to inverse of A, then find the value of X. So let us find first determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to X into 0, 0 minus 1. It is equal to minus 1. This implies this is not equal to 0. This implies inverse exists. So inverse of A is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So it is 1 upon determinant of A is equal to minus 1 and its adjoint will be a matrix. Here it is 2 by 2 matrix. Just we have to interchange diagonal elements 0, X, and we have to interchange their signs. It will be minus 1. So let us multiply it inside the bracket by 1 upon minus 1 means minus 1. So multiply each element by minus 1, 0, 1, 1. So therefore, given condition is A is equal to inverse. We can equate this here. A means what? X, 1, 1. Its inverse is 0, 1, 1, x. The equating elements x is equal to 0 here. So, first answer. So, let us take here. This is given matrix. Then the value of this. See here, A31 into cofactor of this A31, A32, A32. That means this is the value of determinant of this matrix along third row. We have to calculate value of A31, A3, A32, A32, A33, A33. That means that is the value of and expanding, or we can find here value of any determinant. Means if we expand along any row or column, the value will be same. Either you can expand along row second, the value will be same. So let us here we will expand this determinant of matrix along for, or just you can we can means expand along first row 1 into deleting this and this, it will be 7 minus 20 minus 2 into building first row and second column 7 minus 10 plus 3 into deleting first row and third column 4 minus 2. So this is equal to minus 13, 7 minus 10, 7 minus 10 means minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6 plus 4 minus 2 means 2, 6. It will be minus 1. So this will be our answer. Now here we have to find the value of this here A11, A12, A13. These are the elements of first row and they are multiplied by the cofactors of second row. So this will be always equal to 0. What is the value of determinant of a determinant? That is the summation of elements of any row and their corresponding, or we can say that summation of product of elements and their corresponding cofactor. So here this will be 0 because here corresponding cofactor of A11 should be here capital A1. A12 here should be capital A12, A13 capital A13. Otherwise its value will be 0. So this is 0. The matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 3 such that AX is equal to 5. So we have to calculate X. See here students, here AX is taking inverse on both sides. We can say that inverse of A into A means I into X is equal to X is equal to inverse of A. So let us find here determinant of A is equal to, what is determinant of A? 1 into 3 minus 8. So this is equal to minus 5. This implies inverse exists. So inverse of A is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So this is equal to 1 upon minus 5. Adjoint of this means matrix obtained by interchanging diagonal elements and changing signs of non-diagonal elements. It will be 3 minus 2. What will be our answer? If I multiply here 1 by 5, 1 by 5, we need to multiply by minus sign inside the bracket. Minus, plus, plus, minus. So here 1 by 5 minus 3, 2. 1 by 5 minus 3, 2. 4 minus 1. So this will be our